Hello, Roger Stolting here from AdOz. Here today to share with you on Resideo's new universal heat pump defrost control board. This board is designed to replace over 260 OEM and competitors models in the market today. This assures your technician that he will have the right board for single-stage heat pump applications on his vehicle when he needs this. In front of us, we have a display board showing the DB7100U with a thermostat designed to control, in this particular case, the functionality of our calls onto the display. You'll see your air temperature sensor below, and over to the right you'll see that there's a sensor also attached to your condenser coil in order to control your defrost modes. And you'll notice that on the display, flashing, you'll have an A, a C, and an off. Off essentially meaning that nothing is calling. A is your ambient air temperature sensor temperature, and then the C is your condenser coil temperature. Demand and time defrost modes, selectable reversing valve delay to limit noise, fault history for diagnostics, and a setup menu provides us with 9 control parameters assuring the ability to replace virtually any single-stage heat pump control. For more information on the DB7100U, please contact your local Resideo supplier or reach out to your local Resideo representative.